So Courtney wants to know.
I want to know
where we're going.
Almost there, and I'm dying to know.
We're almost there. We are going from Long Beach to Catalina Island. She thinks we're going on a helicopter.
Oh my gosh, what are we doing?
So I'm going to tell you exactly how we're going to get there. It's 60 miles, and we're getting there by jet ski.
Yay! Oh, that's awesome.
So
I'm excited.
We plan to see dolphins.
Oh, dolphins! Oh my gosh, that's so awesome.
Sealions.
Yay!
And we'll be taking all those pictures for you. Getting ready for our jet ski adventure. There's Courtney. We're ready. There's all the jet skis behind us. Long Beach. Going from Long Beach to Catalina Island. Get ready to roll. All right, guys. See you guys in a bit. We should be on our way shortly. All right, here we go. I see a big old walrus. Oh, that boy is huge. There you go. That boy is huge. Whoa. That was nice. Uh-oh. Dolphins right in front of me. There he goes. Pretty fast. Nice. There you go. You can see him. Just playing with me. Here he comes. Nice. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Can't get no better than that, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, I think they want to go a little faster. There you go. Wow, look at that. About 10 of them. Fun. Yeah, cool. Go all the way to Catalina Island like this. There they come. There he is. How awesome is that? Ah, it made a little noise. I don't know if you could try. Oh, they're right here. Just throw one in, just one at a time. Throw another one right there. They're like, nope, this is not fish, real fish. We're not touching. Really? Is that you? Behind you? Oh, there they are. Oh, they're gone. There he goes. This one's coming right behind you. This one coming right underneath. There they go. Tap, just hit the water with your hand. Here he is. Oh, he went poop. Look at another one playing around. Or just pull your feet up if
Babe, I'm scared.
Shit! Big wave, big wave! Uh-oh. She is not. Oh. Did she just try to whip me? Shit. Okay, that's it. She tried to wet me, so it's on. That is a big line. Nice. Probably not too happy that we're here. All right. Fun, fun, fun. You having fun? Gonna smell it. Oh, I seen that. Yep, cave's right there. Throwing out the peace sign. We're on a couple of jet skis, having fun, and here at Catalina Island. We're just kind of checking them out as they jump. Nice. Just a little another one. Nice. Okay, I'm trying to get Okay, we are back in Long Beach, and we just finished up. As you can tell, we had a great time.
Oh my goodness.
So
Waters were rough.
Waters
We saw dolphins.
We did. We saw dolphins and
drank
sea
about
lions.
a gallon of salt water.
Was it a gallon?
Oh, maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Burned our eyes, but
Fell off a few times.
That was awesome.
But that was pretty fun. Had a great time.
Fun in the sun.
Fun in the sun, and we're definitely going to be doing it again. Wish you guys were here. But anyways, we'll see you on the next one. All right. See ya.